Hi, hello. I am Prabal Kumar. I am a lecturer in chemistry. Today I am discussing the topic is pesticide chemistry top chapter. The main topic is synthesis and manufacture of halachlor and butachlor compound. Halachlor and butachlor compound is a class of anilides. It's a class of anilide compound, and basically halachlor is an herbicide from the chloroacetanilide family. It is an odorless, white solid. Halachlor is a white solid. The greatest use of halachlor is illegal in the European Union, and no products containing halachlor are currently registered in the United States. Halachlor and metachlor and propochlor are detoxified in biological system. So it is a chloro compounds. Halachlor, metachlor, propochlor are detoxification biological system. So halachlor means alkoxy group, metachloro means the position meta position is chlorine atoms or other groups. Propochlor means propane groups are attached. Some of the groups should be changed, and chloro compound is an anilide compound, and they are detoxified in the biological, and these are the biological systems by the formation of glutathione acetanilide conjugates. This conjugation is mediated by glutathione S transferase. So glutathione is one of the enzyme. It is mediated by the conjugation of acetanilide group, which is present in microorganisms, mainly plants and mammals, and other organic sulfides and inorganic sulfide also react through a nucleophilic attack on the second chloro group of acetanilide herbicide, but the products are only partially charged. So the sorption in soils and sediments in an important factor for controlling the migration and bioavailability of these herbicides, while microbial degradation is the most important factor in determining their overall fate in the environment. The biodegradation of the halachlor and metachlor is proposed to be an only partially and primarily metabolic, and in the ring cleavage seems to be slow or insignificant. Propochlor biodegradation has been reported to proceed to substantiate greater than 50%. The mineralization of the string structure, reductive dichlorination, may be one of the initial breakdown mechanism under anaerobic conditions. Aerobic and anaerobic transformation. Aerobic anaerobic transformation means presence of carbon dioxide or absence of carbon dioxide. The products vary in the polarity and therefore in the soil binding coefficient. The catabolic pathway for chloroacetanilide herbicide has not been presented in the literature because of the lack of mineralization data under defined cultural conditions. So it is a class of the compound which is anilide compound, which is a herbicide group. It is discovered by Monsanto Chemical Company researchers, and the halachlor is a odorless compound and white and non-volatile crystalline solid. It is a non-volatile means it does not evaporate. It is a non-volatile crystalline solid, and technical product exists as a viscous oil. Sometimes it is a technical product, sometimes a byproducts are coming under, so their viscous oil should be came. IUPAC name of halachlor is 2-chloro N 2,6 diethyl phenyl N methoxy methyl acetamide. So butachlor is a faint odor, some light little bit faint odor, and yellow colored oilish liquid with boiling point is 15 degrees Celsius. The IUPAC name of butachlor is 2-chloro 2,6 diethyl N butoxymethyl acetamide. So this is the structure of alachlor. The position should be, this is the position and this is the one of the positions. So diethyl groups, and here it is a N ethoxy. So here it is a phenyl group. Here it is a phenyl group. So this alachlor is a change, simply change. One is a, the CH2Cl group is different, and alachlor and butachlor, these red shaded lines or round circles are same in alachlor and butachlor. One thing is should be a changed is that should be changed in the CH2COCH3. So this is the changed the alachlor with the change in the C4OC4H9 in butachlor. So see this structure of butachlor. Here it is same thing, C2H5 and same phenyl ring attached to the nitrogen, and here it is the same COCH2Cl, but the changes is only in the, this is the changes. So these changes should be formation of butachlor. Butachlor says that here butachlor means the butane C4H9 butoxy group, butoxy acetamide group. So this is a structure of butachlor. Next we go through the synthesis of alachlor and butachlor. So synthesis can be taken as diethyl aniline treated with an formaldehyde to get the compound of alkene of carbamic group, that is ene group is present in the reaction. So it can be, reaction takes place with the loss of water molecule whenever react with formaldehyde with the aniline compound with the loss of water molecule, and this compound again treat with a dichloro compound ketonic with this group for the synthesis of the replaceable of change in the positions. We are using this compound with the elimination of hydrochloric acid to get this compound, and finally when treat with methanol of this compound to get the alachlor compound, just simply addition of CH3O or methoxy group should be changed. This is our alkoxy, ALA, that is alkoxy group, or that we call it as alachlor, and simple change in for butachlor, this is alachlor. So here it is alachlor, here it is a butachlor takes place, addition of C4H9. Just simple method for the preparation of butachlor and alachlor. Here it is by using butanol, here it is by using methanol. This one difference is there. Methanol is using alachlor, butanol is using butachlor. So simple method, one methyl group, here it is a 4 carbon atoms, that like a 4 methyl groups and alcohols group with the elimination of hydrochloric acid to formation of a alachlor and butachlor of the compounds. So next move on to the next slide. Here it is another way to preparation of alachlor by using formaldehyde till that in this reaction benzene. After that addition of the potassium bicarbonate for this reaction to enhance the compound of alachlor. This is the alachlor compound by another preparation, another way to preparation of by using potassium carbonate, but backward reaction takes place by using ammonia or methanol or butanol. By using in this reaction triethylamine also induced this reaction for the respectable product of carbamic group. And next move on to the alachlor is used as a systematic and pre-emergency herbicide to control annual grasses and broadleaf weeds growing among the corn, sorghum and soya beans. It is also used post-emergency herbicide on peanuts only It is mixed with a dry bulk fertilizers. Dry bulk fertilizers. Next, move on to the uses of butachlor. Butachlor is act as a selective pre and early post metric or post emergence herbicide. Pre and post emergency herbicide. This also used extensively for weed control in rice crop fields. It also used to control weeds in barley, cotton, peanuts, sugar beet, wheat crop fields. So thank you for watching.